Hello and welcome to Elite Finish. I don't know about you, I hate cleaning my wheels and I hate when my wheels are dirty. And short of spending $10,000 on carbon ceramic brakes, my wheels are dirty all the time. So let's talk about how we can make that better. So you guys have probably heard about ceramic coating your car, ceramic coating the paint, making it easier to clean. A lot of people don't realize you can ceramic coat wheels and calipers as well. Not only does this make your wheels stay cleaner longer, it's also gonna make them much easier to clean when it does come time to get them clean. If you're not keeping up on your wheels and really being thorough about getting behind the spokes, getting in the little pockets, if you have brake dust build up over there and you clean them and then the brake dust builds up and you look at your wheels and you go, I don't wanna spend the day cleaning my freaking wheels. I just wanna leave them how they are, I'll get to it tomorrow. Well, if you get to it tomorrow enough times, eventually that brake dust, it forms a little bit of rust and it starts to pit into the wheel finish. That's the finish being eaten away by corrosion. Not only is it gonna encourage you to clean your wheels more often because it'll be so much easier to clean, and when they are clean, they'll be so much glossier and shinier. When you do eventually put them off, because sometimes life happens and you don't wanna clean your wheels on that day, they're gonna have some protection and so you don't have to worry about them nearly as much. And a common question I get on ceramic coating on particular wheels is, hey, my wheels are satin black, hey, my wheels are satin gray or whatever. Ceramic coating is not going to make them glossy if they're a satin or matte finish. It's gonna make glossy wheels glossier, and it's gonna make satin or matte wheels have a little bit more depth and luster to them. So satin black, they won't look as kind of gray. It will be more of a true black. That satin gray is gonna show more of that metallic through, but it's not gonna make them shiny by any means. So at Elite Finish, not only do we offer ceramic coating, wheels and calipers in-house as a service, we also offer education throughout the year. If you're someone that's a DIYer and you've done ceramic coating on your wheels and calipers before, but you just want to learn how to do it better, or if you're new to ceramic coating and you want a little bit of an education on them, we're always here to help. So if you're interested or if you have more questions, give us a call, send us an email, or come down and say hi.